In this tutorial, we will explain how to create a die cut in Adobe Illustrator CC. First, you need to create a new color swatch. To do this, select Window from the menu, then Color. Adjust the color value by modifying the 4CMYK values. In the Color panel options, select Create New Swatch and rename the color to Cutter. Now change the color type to Spot Color. Confirm by clicking the OK button. The spot color you just created will now appear in the Swatches panel. In the second step, create an outline corresponding to the final format of the label. To do this, select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar on the left. Double-click on the outline to open the rectangle window. Here, you must enter the final dimensions of the label's die cut and then confirm by clicking OK. Now the rectangle appears in the document. To assign the outline color, select the rectangle using the Selection tool from the toolbar. Color the outline with the Cutter color from the Swatches window. The surface color of the rectangle should have no color, so set the fill color to none. Next, you need to center the created outline in the center of the document using the Align window. The cutting line, whose outline you have colored with the die cut spot color, must now be set to overprint. To do this, select the rectangle with the Selection tool from the toolbar and open the Attributes window. Click on the Overprint Stroke option. The Overprint option ensures that the areas beneath the cutting line will be printed. Attention when creating custom-shaped die cuts. If you need a custom-shaped die cut, create the cutting line using the Pen tool from the toolbar. For the production of your labels, it is important that the cutting line is created as an outline and not as a filled area.